When you stand up for your rights, you stand up for the rights of all man, woman, and child. When you give up your rights, you jeopardize the rights of everyone. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We got a video from a new channel that reached out to me. You guys, if you have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We're getting a lot of new channels sent to us and a lot of exclusive videos as well. You're definitely going to want to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell because you don't want to miss videos that you won't see anywhere else. This video comes to you from Gambino Green Thumb. Let's get right to the video. We'll pause for comments and I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
You know.
Man, you just pulled up and opened the door. So what is that for?
That part.
You can't just pull up and open somebody's car door.
I can't see.
No, you can't.
He's known to carry guns.
What?
Known to carry what? Yeah. Come on, man.
Man, that shit don't mean you get to just walk up and open nobody's car. No, that don't mean you get to just walk up and open somebody's car door. It don't matter what his priors are. You can't just come and open somebody's car door.
No,
I got a tape. I can't see you, so I need to be able to see you.
Record, but can you turn the light off?
No, I need to be able to see you. I can't see without the light, so I need to be able to see you. That's fine. I don't care.
Tommy, there's no guns in this car, right? Is there any weed in here?
Why did you open the door?
Exactly.
Do you smell some weed in here?
I can't smell very well right now.
Well,
Well, why did you open the door?
I don't even smoke, so there ain't no weed in here.
Cause I smell bullshit.
For sure, there's nothing illegal.
I smell bullshit.
Okay, listen.
Okay, listen, nothing. You can't search my car.
Who said I was gonna search your car?
Me?
So what
Why
did you open the door for?
I opened the door
For
because I told you
what?
I can't see what's in your hands right
It
now.
don't matter.
My hands on the steering wheel.
Tommy, listen.
Man, come
Nah,
on, dog.
you
Don't
breaking
talk to me,
protocol,
dog.
bro. You
Listen,
breaking
listen.
protocol.
Tommy, I'm telling
You
you.
breaking
The other
protocol.
officers are gonna come and you're gonna get out of the car. I'm
So
telling you
what?
right
For what?
That's
For
fine.
what?
You don't wanna wait.
You don't even have a reason to pull us out the car. We ain't did shit illegal.
You just said
Call
you're
your
not searching
sergeant.
my car.
Call your sergeant out here.
Yeah, call the
your
watch
sergeant.
commander. Call the watch
Yeah, call
commander.
watch
Fuck
commander.
a, fuck
We ain't get it, man.
a, fuck a
Fuck
sergeant.
police
No, I'm
sergeant.
requesting a watch
Watch
commander.
commander doesn't come.
All right,
Yeah,
well,
we can call
yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
What the fuck is you talking about?
Yeah, we need a supervisor. We need a few of them. Cause you can't just come and open somebody's car door, bro. We ain't did shit illegal. All we doing is sitting in the fucking car. That's no probable cause for nothing. And nobody committed no crime. It's not even mere suspicion.
No, it is.
It's not, because we ain't did shit. Just because
What's the
people got
suspicion?
priors,
What's the
just because you
suspicion?
have priors, that don't give you suspicion that I got a gun right now, or
That
even
part.
a gun in the car.
have suspicion.
No,
You're mistaken,
no,
man. You're
no,
No, you're mistaken.
That's against the law, bro. You can't. That's just like if I walk up to your fucking police car and open your fucking door.
Yeah. Well, are you working?
Are you?
Yes.
No, you're not. You're
I'm
doing
working.
bullshit right
I'm
now.
working.
You working the system.
Okay.
That's
listen,
what you're
man,
doing.
Listen.
Nah, y'all
If-
doing bullshit,
if
bro.
you continue to interfere, man, you're
Ain't no
gonna get
interfering. I
arrested
can ask you
for
questions.
148
I can
again.
ask you questions.
You're gonna-
How long have cops been using this penal code in California, 148, interference and or resisting arrest? Problem is that the First Amendment of the Constitution allows you to have freedom of speech. And let's keep in mind that this wasn't even a traffic stop. These guys were just sitting there and the cops pulled up on them. And this is the kind of nonsense we get from police officers when they're not trained properly or when they're trained to violate your rights. Keep watching, folks.
And then it's gonna get threw out again.
You're gonna get arrested.
So I'm getting
again.
arrested for asking you
Right?
questions?
No. I said. Did
How
I
is that
say-
interfering?
did
All
I
I'm doing is
say
asking
if
questions.
You keep asking questions, you're gonna get
That's
arrested?
all I'm
No.
doing.
I said if you keep interfering.
All I'm doing is asking questions. So how is that
Well, you
interfering?
totally change your tone now because you just.
I don't care if I was loud or not.
That's
If I'm
fine.
asking you a
He trying to
question,
pull-
I
hey,
could
he
yell
trying to pull
I could yell a question to the
fucking
top of the fucking roof. What difference do it make? All I'm doing is asking you questions. That's not interfering. That's my right. I can ask you a question. You're on duty, right? Like you said, you're working, right? So I can ask you anything I want to. So how the fuck is that interfering?
All right.
Exactly, because you on bullshit.
When the other officers get here, I'm gonna ask you guys to get out of the car. If you don't get out of the car, you're obstructing.
What are we
and
stepping
you're-
out for?
Yeah,
First,
yeah, why-
first of all, tell us
why-
what we stepping out for.
exactly.
Can I talk to one person? I can't hear
All
all three
right,
of you.
Why we stepping
on
out?
my car?
Can I talk to one person?
We,
can't
you
hear-
talking to all three of us. We all listening.
Is he gonna
Because
talk
all
or you
three
gonna
was in the
talk,
car.
Exactly.
We all asking the same question.
Listen, can I talk to one of you three? I can't
Why
hear
are
all-
you talking to me then? Why we
Okay.
stepping out?
Because this is a lawful traffic stop.
And it's not a traffic
It's
stop.
not a traffic
The car
stop.
wasn't in motion. You didn't pull us over.
Doesn't matter.
This is not a
The
stop.
car being on or off.
It's
doesn't
not off.
matter.
It's not
Yes, it
driving. That's
does.
not a
It
traffic
doesn't-
stop.
Yes, it is.
That doesn't. What constitutes a traffic stop? Motion, right?
No.
You're not in motion. We're not traveling.
people's dumb.
We're not doing any of that. How is that a
Alright.
stop?
All right.
How is
I'm
that
gonna
a
ask
traffic
you guys to
stop?
Get out of the car now.
How-
all right?
How is that a
One.
traffic stop? You still can't search it even if we do get out. We're not authorizing no searches. Because you don't even have no reason to search the car or pull us out.
Car's parked.
So why are we pulling out
All
again?
right, you guys are gonna step out of the car, right?
Okay, so why are you pulling us out one more time? So we can clarify that?
Because Tommy's been arrested for like 5 guns.
Okay, what do that have to do with what we sitting here with?
It has to do with a lot of stuff.
No, it
Reasonable suspicion that a crime has occurred.
What suspicion do you have?
All kinds of narco investigation, guns.
Where?
All kinds of
No,
shit, right?
no, that
shit
no.
up right
You
now.
talking some prior
Hey,
shit
hey,
that don't got
hey,
nothing
you
to
guys-
do with
you
today.
guys gotta get out now,
You
right?
talking some prior shit that don't got nothing
All
to do
right,
with
hey,
today.
step out, man.
Why are we getting pulled out?
Hey, listen, step out. If you don't, you're gonna get arrested.
Why are you getting out? I can still step out.
Go to the,
Yeah,
go to
fuck
the
all
fence.
that.
Go
All
to the
that
fence.
shit is dramatic. Y'all stepping in. Okay, why you pulling on me? You telling me where to go? Don't pull on me. The fuck?
Hang up against the fence, basically.
H&A 97 Water Street, H&A 97
Recording all
Water
you want, just
Street.
throw it in your pocket.
Go ahead. You can search me. Don't got to be in my pocket either. And I'm not consenting to no searches either. So you searching me unlawfully. That's cool. Don't go in my pocket either.
You on paper or nothing?
Man, I'm not on nothing. I don't even know what y'all here for. Y'all don't even know what y'all here for. What? Cause we sitting in the car? That's illegal? No, that's all he did. That's all we doing. So what other reason would you have to search it? Because we just sitting in the car. We're not in the traffic. It's not a traffic stop if we're not in motion. So what is we being stopped for? What is y'all pulling us out the car for? No, it don't make sense. All right, I'm about to ask him then. So y'all already checked me, right? All right, so y'all, no, I'm not being detained. I can record on my phone. Get my phone. Get my phone and record it, Auntie. I am relaxed. What am I being in cuffs for? They wasn't even handcuffed me. You just came and you want to put me in cuffs for what?
You're being detained and you're
For
on your
what?
phone. Come on.
I'm not on my phone. I'm taping it.
I don't care if she records.
I can put my keys in my pocket. I can put my yeah, do that.
Relax, right now.
Yeah, turn it over, Auntie.
So the cop was using Pennsylvania versus Mims to get the man out of the vehicle. But was this even a traffic stop? And was the police officer in fear of his life? I don't think so. I think police officers learn a little bit about their policies. Nothing about law, right? Because I'll tell you something. They will always tell you that they don't have to know all the laws in the books because there's just too many of them. But they'll be the first ones to turn around and tell you that ignorance of the law is no excuse. And I gotta say that I'm extremely happy that the forefathers actually seen the possibilities of tyranny in this country. They understood that the people have natural rights, and that is exactly what the First Amendment mirrors. So important that the Second Amendment was written to protect that. But then you have all these political parasites who tend to think that we don't deserve rights as people. Folks, you are one of the people. Understand that. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter how many tattoos you have. It doesn't matter what kind of suit you wear. It doesn't matter what kind of color your skin is. It doesn't matter if you're young or old. It's important that you learn and know and understand your human rights. Learn the First Amendment, folks. You don't have to learn everything, but learn the First Amendment and what it means. It's important to you. You guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. You don't want to miss the videos that we promote. You don't want to miss the videos that we post. They're very educational. And also go subscribe to this new channel. Let them know I sent you. Thank you all for tuning in. Have yourselves a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.